Narrative Pro is an advanced gameplay framework for Unreal Engine 5 that lets you make complex, ambitious games easier than ever. Today I'm going to show you how to set the tool up, which is now very easy in 2.1. So let's begin. To begin, you will need to have a copy of Narrative Pro 2. The link to get that will be in the description. And once you have purchased it, it should show up in the Epic Games Launcher under Unreal Engine, Library, and then under your Fab library here, you can click on Install the Engine. And today we are going to be using 5.6, so I'm going to install it to that. And I would recommend using 5.6 for the best experience. Next, we will simply launch Unreal Engine 5.6. From there, we're going to go to Games, click on Blank. I'm going to use a Blueprint project, but you could go Blueprint or C++, it doesn't really matter. And call the project whatever you want. I'm going to call it Narrative Tut, and we will click on Create. Once you're in the project, go to Edit, Plugins, and if you've installed Narrative, it should show up here. You can go to Narrative, check the box here, and it will prompt you to restart, so go ahead and click on that. When the project restarts, you will get a little error here. Go ahead and click the button to fix that, and then you will get a message down here saying project settings do not require the Narrative Pro ones. So if you click on Open Project Settings and click the Update button, this will update all of your project settings to the ones that Narrative Pro uses, and you can now click on Yes. Once your project restarts, you should no longer see any error about the Narrative Pro settings, and your default map will be Demo Map Open World. Now to load this in, you will want to go to Window, World Partition Editor, and then just drag over the map and load it in by clicking on Load Region from Selection. You can also click this little button in the top corner to focus the world first. And this is kind of the demo map. This is just a little mess around map that we've added to let you try out some of the features. And at this point, you should be able to play. Last thing we're going to do before we try play, we're going to click on Content Drawer. I'm going to dock mine in the layout by clicking that button. Click this little cog, and just make sure you have engine content showing. I have Narrative Pro installed to my engine. You can also install it to the project itself. Either will work. But because mine's in the engine, I'm going to go down to Engine Plugins, and I'm going to look for Narrative Pro down here. And all you have to do is go to Abilities, Queues, and we'll have to move these into our project. It's actually a requirement of the gameplay queue system in Unreal. So we'll just right-click here, make a new folder called Queues inside of our content folder, and we're simply going to just copy and paste the queues into our project. So just select all of the queues here under Narrative Pro content and copy them from Narrative Pro content into your project's content. It's just a little quirk of the gameplay ability system that you have to do that. At this point, you should be good to go. I'm going to come over here to where the new rifle is, and we'll click the drop down, and I'm going to spawn player at current camera location just to make this a bit faster for me. You should be able to jump in here and try out some of the new features, like this amazing new rifle that we've had done by JT White, who has previous experience working on the Call of Duty team. So really big upgrade. If you pick it up, you can actually try this weapon out. If you press T, you can equip it. And you can see you now drop a physical mag on the floor. Tons of improvements, and you can just see the quality of this beautiful weapon that we've got added in the project now. If you come into this corner of the map, you will be able to try swimming out. This is a new feature. It's just been added, so it's still in beta, but you can come here and try it out. Works pretty good. Pretty nice. Works in first person. And we've also added climbing, which you'll be able to test out in the new version as well. And that is also working really nicely. We're really proud of climbing. Really cool feature. So yeah, come over to this corner of the map if you want to try those features out. If you come over here, there's also a couple of cars. We've added vehicles and driving in the latest version of Narrative Pro, and those are really awesome. And if you talk to the character who usually stands here called Felix, he gives you a quest with some driving in it to help sort of assist with testing out the driving. And we also have this experimental helicopter. This is really strictly an experimental thing, but we thought we would add it and leave it in the project just for people to play around with too. because our interaction system is set up such that you can really have any sort of vehicle that you want, not just cars. We've really tried to make it as flexible as possible, like all of the features that we code here in narrative. We really want you to be able to extend them and do whatever you want to do with them. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for some tutorials where we will help you to use some of the new features that come with 2.1.